How to change team name in Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the team name. First of all, open your application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this teams icon. Tap on this teams icon. So this is the team that you are in. So in order to tap or know about the team info, here you can see this team info button. Simply tap on it. So this is the information of the team and the team name. So in order to change the name, you must be either the leader or the co-leader of the team. Unless you are the co-leader or the leader of the team, you cannot change the name. You can either view it or just join and leave it, but there is no such option as changing the name. So try becoming a leader or create your own team, and you can rename the team name as you like. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.